Finally, a simple drag and drop AI-powered builder you can use in minutes. Without tech hassles, paying for expensive software, or monthly fees. 3-in-1 AI-powered app creates stunning websites and sellable courses in any niche using just a keyword. With 24/7 AI on standby. 10x your website and course creation speed with AISiteX. It builds, designs, and comes with AI sales and course assistance on autopilot. AI-powered course creator. Upload your content or let AI generate lessons, quizzes, and descriptions. Turn knowledge into profit fast. AI course assistant. Acts as a virtual tutor, helping students understand your course content, answer their questions, and keep them engaged. Stunning, ready-to-use templates. Professionally designed DIY templates for websites and courses. Just tweak, launch, and start selling. SEO and traffic booster. AISiteX automatically optimizes your site and courses for Google rankings and organic traffic growth. Lightning fast hosting included. No need to pay for third-party hosting services. Your website and courses run smoothly without paying extra. What's the number one thing separating those who make money while they sleep from those who work round the clock? It's not hard work. It's not luck. It's not even talent. It's owning a digital asset that can make you money even when you're offline. The biggest names online don't trade time for money. They own websites, courses, and digital products that generate revenue while they do anything else. In minutes. Here's a scenario: you check your phone, see payments rolling in, new customers, course sales, and passive income without the burnout. Stop using old school and expensive manual methods. Try this AI-powered and cost-effective solution. What's holding you back? Wasting money, manual work, or not knowing where to start? AISiteX solves it all. One click and AI does the work, from course creation to website design, closing sales, and assisting your students. No tech hassles. No expensive developers. No sales team needed. Here's why thousands can't wait to jump on AISiteX. AISiteX isn't just a website and course builder, it's a business in a box that eliminates the roadblocks keeping you from online success. Say goodbye to tech overwhelm. Drag and drop simplicity means even a total beginner can build stunning websites and course platforms in minutes. No monthly subscriptions draining your profits. Drag and drop simplicity means even a total beginner can build stunning websites and course platforms in minutes. Works for every niche. Whether you're a coach, consultant, influencer, or entrepreneur, AISiteX adapts to your business model. Create stunning websites and sell courses in minutes. No tech skills, just results. AISiteX isn't just another website and course builder, it's a business in a box designed to eliminate the biggest roadblocks standing between you and online success. This 3-in-1 AI-powered business launcher is the first of its kind, combining AI-driven assistance, no more struggles in being creative, engaging visitors, or handling student support. Course Builder. Create engaging, high-converting courses without complexity. Add videos, quizzes, downloads, and discussions with an intuitive drag-and-drop editor. Website Builder. Instantly launch high-converting sales pages, landing pages, or full-fledged websites with zero coding. Just click, drag, and customize. Pre-designed templates. Not a designer? No problem. Choose from stunning templates that look like they cost thousands to develop. For course creation. Launch courses and coaching programs instantly. You can start monetizing audiences with membership sites and courses. For website creation in any niche. Build pro-level sites without hiring developers that you can start selling auras for your own business. Who can profit from this 3-in-1 AI business launcher? This tool isn't just a website builder, it's a full-blown business launch system for anyone who wants to sell online, build a brand, or monetize their expertise. No worries. This AI-powered platform was made for non-techies. No coding, no headaches, just click, drag, and launch. If you can use a mouse, you're all set. Plus, step-by-step tutorials only if you need them and 24/7 support to back you up. You don't need time. AISiteX is a plug-and-play system. Log in, click, build, and launch. No learning curve. No endless tutorials. Just results. I've tried other builders before and they were too complicated. Most platforms are either too tech-heavy, forcing you to learn code, or too restrictive, limiting customization. We took the best of both worlds, giving you an ultra-easy drag-and-drop interface with full creative freedom. Great. But does your current website let you create, sell, and automate online courses effortlessly? Does it use AI to optimize sales? If not, you're leaving money on the table. This platform integrates seamlessly with what you already have or replaces outdated tools completely. You don't need to be an expert. If you have knowledge, skills, or even an interest in a topic, you can monetize it. People pay for simplified knowledge every single day. Our AI can even help structure your content into a high-value course that people will love. 100%. Whether you're in coaching, fitness, marketing, real estate, photography, freelancing, consulting, or any industry, you can build a website and sell courses in your niche. AI adapts to your business model. Yes. You can assign roles, manage permissions, and streamline workflows, making this perfect for agencies, teams, and even solo entrepreneurs. No problem. We have ongoing updates, add-ons, and integration coming up, ensuring you stay ahead of the game. Plus, we listen to user feedback, meaning you help shape the future of the platform. Every excuse is just another reason why this tool exists, to eliminate struggles, speed up success, and make online business easy. Whether you're selling, educating, consulting, or simply looking for a passive income stream, this platform does the work for you. Frederick has been in the fitness industry for about 6 years, and he's thinking of scaling his business, building an online presence, and selling his ideas and experience. As a fitness trainer and wellness expert, Frederick can scale beyond one-on-one coaching with the help of this bad boy, AISiteX. Your digital empire starts here. Launch a course and website with zero effort within minutes. AISiteX is the 3-in-1 AI-powered business launcher, a drag-and-drop website builder with professional templates, a course creation powerhouse that does the work for you, and AI-driven assistance. It eliminates 99% of the struggle in launching your online presence, scaling ideas, hobbies, or knowledge, creating content, engaging visitors, and even managing student support. Let AI build it for you. AI generates a custom website or course layout, writes your content, description, and sets up your pages instantly. Drag and drop website and course builder. No coding. No complicated setup. Simply drag, drop, and launch a high-converting website and course in minutes. AI-powered course creator. Upload your content or let AI generate lessons, quizzes, and descriptions for you. Turn your knowledge into profit fast. AI Smart Writer. Stuck on copy? AISiteX powered writer creates compelling website copy, course outlines, and descriptions in seconds. AI Course Assistant. Acts as a virtual tutor, helping students understand your course content, answer their questions, and keep them engaged. Stunning, ready-to-use templates. Professionally designed DIY templates for websites and courses. Just tweak, launch, and start selling. SEO and traffic booster. AISiteX automatically optimizes your site and courses for Google rankings and organic traffic growth. Lightning fast hosting included. No need to pay for third-party hosting services. Your website and courses run smoothly without paying extra. One-click AI business automation. AISiteX runs your business for you. Once set up, it continuously optimizes, markets, and manages your website, courses, and customer interactions. AI managed course curriculum. Upload your course materials, and AISiteX will organize them into a structured, engaging curriculum including quizzes, assessments, and interactive elements. AI analytics and optimization. Track sales, student engagement, and user behavior with AI-driven analytics so you know exactly how to scale. Why do it all yourself when AISiteX can handle it for you? You can decide to spend weeks struggling with complex website builders, course platforms, and content creation. Or let AISiteX handle everything for you while you launch, grow, and profit effortlessly. AI Smart Writer generates compelling sales pages, course outlines, and blog posts instantly. AI Website Sales Agent engages visitors, answers questions, and turns them into paying customers 24/7. AI Course Assistant acts as a virtual tutor, helping students understand your course content and answer their questions. What exactly is AISiteX, and how does it work? AISiteX is a 3-in-1 AI-powered platform that helps you launch and scale your website, courses, and content without technical skills. It includes an AI Smart Writer for content generation, an AI Website Sales Agent to engage visitors, and an AI Course Assistant to structure and optimize online courses. Simply drag, drop, and let AI handle the rest. Do I need any tech skills to use AISiteX? Not at all. AISiteX is built for absolute beginners and experienced users alike. It's a 100% no-code platform with an intuitive drag-and-drop builder that makes website and course creation effortless. If you can click, type, and drag, you can build a business with AISiteX. Can I create and sell courses with AISiteX? Yes. AISiteX comes with a built-in AI Course Assistant that helps you create, organize, and optimize courses effortlessly. You can auto-generate lessons, modules, quizzes, and even student engagement content, all AI-driven. Plus, it integrates with payment gateways so you can start selling immediately. What makes AISiteX different from other website or course builders? Unlike traditional platforms, AISiteX is fully AI-driven, meaning it does 90% of the work for you. Instead of spending weeks designing, writing, and structuring content, AISiteX handles it instantly with its smart automation. It's an all-in-one solution, no need for third-party tools or expensive software subscriptions. Does AISiteX support custom domains? Yes. AISiteX allows you to connect your own custom domain so you can have a fully branded website. If you don't have one, you can use an AISiteX subdomain to get started instantly. What's the difference between the starter and commercial licenses? The personal license lets you create a limited number of websites and courses for personal use. The commercial license unlocks unlimited websites, courses, and AI features, plus the ability to sell and monetize your creations. If you want to build for clients, sell websites, or launch an agency, commercial is the way to go. Is AISiteX a one-time purchase or a monthly subscription? Right now, AISiteX is available for a one-time payment during this special launch. After this, we may switch to a monthly or yearly subscription model. Get it now to lock in lifetime access with no recurring fees. Is there a refund policy? Yes. We offer a 14-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied for any reason, just reach out to our support team, and we'll refund your investment, no questions asked. Let's be real for a second. You've seen how complicated, expensive, and time-consuming it can be to build a successful online business. You've watched others struggle with clunky website builders, slow course platforms, and marketing headaches, wasting months, or even years, without results. With AISiteX, You're not just getting another tool, you're unlocking an AI-powered system that does the heavy lifting for you. This isn't some forever available deal. Once this launch ends, the price will increase, and you may never see this one-time offer again. Do you want to keep wasting time, effort, and money on outdated, manual methods? Or are you ready to join the AI revolution and start building your digital empire with ease? If you're ready to start creating websites and courses in one click with our AI-powered assistants available 24/7 to craft hyper-persuasive content, close deals, and even handle student support, then you'd need to secure your access to AISiteX now. Only a one-time investment today. Warrior Plus is used to help manage the sale of products on this site. While Warrior Plus helps facilitate the sale, all payments are made directly to the product vendor and not Warrior Plus. Thus, all product questions, support inquiries, and or refund requests must be sent to the vendor. Warrior Plus's role should not be construed as an endorsement, approval, or review of these products or any claim, statement or opinion used in the marketing of these products. Disclaimer. Notice, this is not a part of Google. This site is not part of the Facebook website or Facebook Incorporated. Also, this site is not endorsed by Google. This site is not endorsed by Facebook in any way,